Hello guys, back again with me Erlix Bulala. In this video, I will present to you practice reading text about Nias people. Nias people. Nias people are an ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which literally means descendant of human. Nias Island is known as Tanuniha, with Tanu meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practice of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as Pondrake, which regulates all aspects of life from birth to death. Historical evidence of megalith structure and stone carving that are found in the interior of the island proved that ancient Nias people practice megalith culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nias society, whereby the highest level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festival by inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According to people of Nias, one of the mythical origin of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Tora Sigarua, which is located at a place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myth, it is said that the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirau, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence, the 9 sons of King Sirau were considered as the first people to set foot on the island of Nias. Archaeological research have been conducted on Nias Island since 1999. The observation found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12 years ago through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During that period, the Hoa Binh Vietnam civilization was similar to that in Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that the origin of the Nias people come from an area in mainland Asia that is in modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra come from the Austronesia peoples. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan through the Philippines 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. 10 years of research involving blood sample of 440 Nias people in 11 villages in Nias Island showed the Y chromosome and DNA mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwan's Aborigines and Filipino peoples. The observation has also found that the genes in today Nias people no longer carry any trace of the ancient Nias people, as of those whose remains were found in the Teguindraba Cave, Central Nias. Archaeological findings of the stone tools found showed that humans lived in the cave over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to other groups of people, especially with regard to the Y chromosome. This indicates that there was once a bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Studies have also found that the Nias people do not share any genes with ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered as neighbors. Although It is now that there was a migration of the Austronesia people between Taiwan and the Indonesian archipelago, including Nias. It is still uncertain if the migration started from Taiwan to Nias or vice versa. Gowi Nihandro or Gowi Nitutu, pounded cassava, harinake, minced pork, godo-godo, stirred cassava shape into balls for boiling and later with added coconut flakes. Keve-keve, minced fish meat shaped into balls to be dried or smoked. Nioburu, salted pork for longer storage. Ratigai, fried bananas. Tambaya, ketupat. Lema, lemang. Gai niboge, grilled bananas. Kazimone, made of sago. Wawayase, glutinous rice. Gulo-gulo fare, candy made from distilled coconut milk. Bato, compressed crab meat shaped into balls for longer storage as found on Hinako Island. Nami, salted crab eggs for longer storage, sometimes for months, depending on the quantity of salt used. Tuo nifare, palm wine. Tuo banua, raw palm wine with added laru, roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol. Clothing and ornaments. The kalabubu is traditionally only worn by those who already perform the headhunting activities. Fondruru, men's earring made of precious metal. Kalabubu, also known as the headhunter necklace. Nifatalitali, a necklace of precious metal. Nifatefate, a men's necklace of precious metal. Swahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Traditional proverbs. Hula nife mangamau ihene zinga, like a cat that eats, starting from the sides. When doing something, start from the easiest to the difficult. Hula laiva nidana ba ifuli fahalehale. Just like cupping the water, it will still remain. Sometimes that is inspirable. Abaja Joko Safuria Moroi Baziofena. The wound is more severe at the later stage than the beginning. A course of action can be felt the most towards the end. Other traditional practice, Nias men taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo, leaping over the rope. Fatele or Faluya or Faluaya, war dance. Maina, group dance. Tari Moyo, eagle dance. Tari Mogaile, Fangowai, welcoming of guest dance. Fame Ononihale, weddings. Omohada, traditional house. Fame Teinononihale, given name of a married woman. Fasese Lewu, bamboo competition among young men to test one's strength. This line, deterioration in Niasan culture began to occur since the end of the 19th centuries. Missionary work had contributed to the decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias, such as those performed by the German Protestant Renaissance Missionary Society, had been responsible to the destruction of Niasan wooden status as well the suppression of the unique culture of Nias society, e.g., ancestor worship, magical practice, the Obasa festival, Noblemem Rang Elevation Festival, headhunting and slave trading. However, since 1915, conservation of the traditional culture of the Ononiha has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic Church through cultural integration into liturgy, architecture, and art. Okay guys, that's all of my video practice reading text about Nias people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.